Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. The Martian orbiter Hope, launched by the United Arab Emirates in July 2020, flew just 100 kilometers above the surface of Mars' moon Deimos and sent unusually detailed images of this celestial body. Observations were made in the ultraviolet and infrared range and gave scientists a lot of important information about Deimos. Scientists still have no consensus on how the moons of Mars, Phobos and Deimos, were formed. One old hypothesis is that Phobos and Deimos are asteroids that formed about 4.5 billion years ago in the main asteroid belt, which were captured by Mars as it approached. However, the capture of two asteroids at once seems unlikely. In addition, the densities of Phobos and Deimos are uncharacteristic for asteroids and are so small that capture by Mars would lead to their destruction. Accurate analysis of data from the European Mars Express spacecraft also showed a significant difference between the spectrum of Phobos and the spectrum of asteroids of the main belt. According to the new hypothesis, Phobos is an object that was not formed simultaneously with Mars, but reassembled in the near-Mars orbit. It is possible that in the past Mars experienced a collision with another celestial body, which led to the release of a huge mass of Mars rocks into space, and perhaps some of that matter subsequently gathered in orbit in the form of moons. The Hope spacecraft is in a unique orbit that allows it to view Deimos in detail, as well as fly much closer to this moon than other Martian orbiters, to analyze its geochemical composition more accurately. Several more approaches to Deimos are planned for the coming years to get more clues about its nature and possible origin. Also in 2024, the Japanese Mars mission MMX is scheduled to launch. This mission would take the spacecraft to Mars, orbit Phobos, and collect soil samples from this Martian moon, and bring them back to Earth for detailed study. This mission is expected to help scientists learn more about the origin and evolution of the Martian moons and the formation of planets in the solar system. By the way, NASA recently joined Japan's MMX project. NASA specialists will create an instrument for registering gamma rays and neutrons, and a demonstration pneumatic sampler. It's planned that the spacecraft will reach Mars in 2025. In 2028, the soil collected from Phobos will be loaded into a re-entry capsule, which will arrive to Earth in 2029. Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.